Hey, got a tune-up for you. Came across this piece of one of those really cool airplanes broken in half. I remember when I was a kid and I experienced this same situation. I had not anywhere nearly as fancy as this. They were just white styrofoam, and you would stick the wings in one side and away you would go and go play with it in the park, which is what some kid was doing here. It's broken in half. Sometimes the brokenness of something is beyond repair, because I encountered it many times myself. I would try to tape it together and make it work. It would never fly the same. It might fly in a slightly different pattern than it did before. It wouldn't fly near as far. But I don't know, maybe sometimes if it gets repaired right, it may fly different and it may fly further. I'm thinking about this in terms of our dreams, of broken dreams, of things that look like they failed, things that look like they're beyond repair. That in our mindset, if we choose to accept the fact that failure is a speed bump, not a stop sign, that there may be opportunity for repair. Sometimes things are broken altogether and we just need to move on, and that's, every situation is a little bit different. But for the most part, there is the opportunity to repair broken dreams, or to take it in the form that it was and turn it into something completely different. So the speed bump slowed you down, brought you to a stop, and allowed you to reevaluate, to turn around and make things a whole lot better than they used to be.